Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 58 how to comment on an IGTV video on Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the iPhone itself, the Instagram application. So now we can go all the way to the iPhone, go to Instagram, click on Instagram, make sure you're signed into the account, go to your profile, and then go back to the home page. Go to the right top corner of the screen where we see IGTV next to direct message. Click on IGTV, search for a video or go to any video. We will search for computer science. Go to a channel. Go to a video. Comment on the video. The comment has now been posted. Go back to the video, go to the comment, cancel, go back to Instagram, go back to your profile, go to your iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.